In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your CapCut account from all devices. If you've used CapCut on multiple phones, tablets, or computers and want to make sure everything is signed out, this walkthrough will help you do it cleanly and securely. Start by opening the CapCut app on your device. Look for the Me tab, usually at the bottom right of the screen. This is where your profile and account options live. From there, open Settings. Inside the Settings menu, find the Sign Out option and Confirm. This removes the account from the device in your hand and it sets you up for the next step, which clears all other sessions. Next, return to the CapCut login screen and begin the sign-in process. You'll see the usual place to enter your account details. Instead of proceeding, tap Forgot Password. This is the key action that forces a full account reset and logs out your account everywhere. CapCut will send a verification code to the email address linked to your account. Make sure you have access to that inbox and keep an eye on your spam or junk folder in case the message lands there. These codes can expire, so open it as soon as it arrives. Enter the code in CapCut, then follow the prompts to create a new password. The moment your password is updated, CapCut ends all active sessions tied to your account. That means any phone, tablet, or computer where you were signed in will be logged out automatically. If one of those devices is offline, it will sign out the next time it connects. A few helpful tips before you wrap up. If you don't see the Me tab or sign out, update the app to the latest version. If you used a third-party sign-in before, like a social login, make sure the email you're checking is the one actually linked to your CapCut account. When creating your new password, choose something strong and unique to keep your projects safe. And if you have unsaved drafts on a device you still control, consider opening CapCut there first to back up or export anything important before you sign out. That's it. You signed out on your current device, reset your password through the Forgot Password link, and triggered a logout on all devices connected to your CapCut account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you secure your account quickly and confidently.